What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing to you how you can switch your Instagram accounts on Thread, right? So recently, Thread has been the trending app, and guess what? So everybody is on Threads now, it has a lot of attention and everybody is trying to get on Threads. But what if you have multiple Instagram accounts that you want to switch between on Thread? Now, there's no direct way to do this, but here's the workaround for now, right? So once you select your profile icon at the bottom of the screen, right, you're going to select this menu icon close to the Instagram icon. Then you are going to log out of your account. So select log out again to confirm that you're logging out. Now here at the bottom of the screen where it says switch account, that is where you have the option to switch between your Instagram accounts, right? And then select the account that you want to switch in Threads. Right, so basically I'm in as my original account. I didn't want to use my account because that one is pretty new and I don't want to set up that account on Threads. So basically get the idea of how you can switch your Instagram account and Threads, right? If you want to edit your account and make your account private, you select the same profile icon, select edit profile, and here you have the option to make it private. To change anything that is in your bio, you just simply tap in that option and then you can make changes. So hit there, I just added a full stop. So now I'm going to select done, right? And if you're wondering which app I'm using to do this, I'm using A-Power Mirror to mirror my phone screen. So here I'm going to select done again. You can also share your profile by selecting share profile here, and then you decide who you want to share your profile with. Now this global icon here also allows you to private your profile. You can change your mentions, who can mention you in tags, so you can say profiles that follow you or no one at all, right? So I'm gonna select back. Now on the hidden words allows you to hide words that you don't want to see in your feed, right? So as you can see, offensive words and phrases are on, right? And custom words and phrases are on. So anything that may contain expletives, explicit stuff, once those things are mentioned, I will not be seeing those within my Threads feed. Now when you go up on profiles you follow, you'll see the list of profiles that you will follow, right? So that's basically Threads in a nutshell. So that's for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Right? And don't forget to give me a sub, right?